matter with the grass. So if I tell you like the matter, the thing bust head. So welcome back to Joy's Family Fun Time. Long awaited videos, people. Long awaited. This video has been long coming. Today. So, quick story. Quick story before I tell you now what we want to do today. So, quick story. So I go on internet. I was checking. Say, if your child is addicted to a particular food, how do you get them to stop? How do you get them to change diet? All those kind of stuff. Guess what I see? They say you have to punish that child with that same particular food. How? Hey, Ogbenge, this one carry weight. They say you have to give her more than the necessary portion the child usually eats from that same food. Give her that food, make it chop till he choke. When he choke, you no go ever ask of that food again. So today, as I will try, I'm going to put it to the test with you guys. People, just click like and share. Like and share. It will not cost you anything to share this one. I want to know opinion. So who is addicted now for this place? This girl. That one is the one.
That's the one.
Is the one addicted, people. Today, she's addicted to chicken wings. This pikin, he go have chicken wings for morning, chicken wings for night, chicken wings for afternoon. He will wake up, chicken wings. He say, we need to do something about it too. And we go document them for them. Someone that like and share and let's go. Today I'm going to give her a lot of chicken wings. She go eat and saute, he go choke them. And then we're going to see whether she go hate her after today. May we see her. Oh, my body not lost, sir. If it's ask for chicken wings again, I'll give my money back. Fast. So today we are giving her not one chicken wings, but we are giving her 20 pieces of chicken wings. 20. 20 pieces of Antwerp chicken wings. Now we they give her today. Make it choke. Choke. Now we want give her. Already put one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Hey, wait. More is coming for her. 13.
You have 2 boxes.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Today you're gonna do
17,
chicken wings.
18, 19, 20. If Ome finish this chicken wings, he can't see ask me for chicken wings again. Who make that statement? I'll find and see. Who go put online say if you're a child or even adult you are addicted to food, chop am. When you eat a lot of food and it choke you, you will never want to eat that food again. I will look for that person. Wait, let me do my camera well, people, so that you will see the food where. Wait.
Sorry, I'm gonna eat.
Sorry guys, I just have to do the camera so that we can show.
I'm 7 years old. I'm 5 years old. And mommy 21 old. No, she's not. She's 32. 33.
Oh yeah, talk. So what do you have to say, Ome? What do you have to say?
Today we're going to do.
What do you want to say
Today
about
we're
this
going
news?
to do chicken wing challenge. This is my sister going to have a lot, and we just going to have pieces.
Okay, that work. Hey you, what do you have to say about this food? Do you think you can finish it?
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to like chicken wings after today? Do you think you're going to hate chicken wings after today? I see. Are you still going to ask for chicken wings?
I'm still gonna ask for it.
Do you think you can finish this one?
Yes.
Can you finish it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, people. She said she will finish it. So.
Okay.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Hey.
You see, me and Emily, we are just going to eat 10 pieces, of which I know I'm not going to be even able to eat.
Mommy.
Okay, so
Let's start.
let's dig in, people. Come and join us, so let's dig in. I know I'm not going to be able to eat lots of things. Let me show Emily very well.
So yummy.
People, like I said, you got to like and share this video. Because if this statement, you know, people put things online. Say, oh, you did this one.
I like it.
When I went to the comment section, they were actually saying, one was saying, he used to like pizza. One time he ate too much of pizza and he was admitted in the hospital because of that. And then after that, he hates pizza. He doesn't even want to see pizza again. I say, really? I say, yeah, okay. That's my sauce. I have dipping sauce, yeah. I have samurai. With a little bit of pepper sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup, and pepper together.
I got pepper.
I'm the one using that one.
What's putting pepper there? I want the
You know when
mix.
both people say it's spicy, it's actually not spicy. Because I don't feel any spicy.
That's putting pepper.
We're going to have our eat it today. Don't forget to follow our page. Follow our Facebook page so that you'll be able to see the result together
And also,
next week Wednesday. Because we're going to have our eat this and then we're going to put it to the test again, try it and see if it actually work. If the test actually work or not, you know. I don't know if Wednesday will be too far. Maybe she must have, if she's traumatized with this, maybe she must have probably forgot for nothing next to come. Comment down below.
It's good.
Put it in the comment section. Let's see how long we should give her before we try it again and see if this work. Because money when I spend for this film,
Yummy.
this pikin can't eat and finish. Can't tell me say easy one chicken wings. Like I said, whoever write that statement for that gogo, I go find and see. Only 2. This is my second one and it's throwing me off already because I don't usually like chicken wings like that.
I'll start with a big one.
Me and Emily will like chicken wings too.
Mommy, I
Don't
don't
get me
like
wrong.
it anymore, but I want to eat it so I can win.
We like chicken wings, but we eat chicken wings when we see chicken wings. You get it. But this one, I need to ask for chicken wings. Morning, afternoon, evening. Let's see how much you can eat after today. Like I said, click like and share.
Look how big.
Look at that. Let me share the video. It will not cost you anything to just support your sister. If I post picture, now go the comment. Say fine woman, fine sister. Even though I know so now they tease me, I still appreciate. So I don't know go come comment for this time.
And the second one.
You know, comment,
Mommy, we don't send to Auntie
like and share. We want to give shout out to our Ogbonge Auntie Blessing because that's my twin sister. Her name not they come up from my children's mouth. And that's call Mama. So we want to call Auntie Blessing. Say hello to Auntie Blessing.
Hello, Auntie Blessing. Baby, let me say hello.
Okay. I didn't hear you. I said now only that one be the only auntie way they get. I get many sisters.
I like the hundreds.
But the
That is
Auntie
Auntie
Blessing
Blessing.
name not they come up for their mouth. I don't know why.
I finished the second one.
Maybe because of that one they see pass here.
Ted.
I finished third.
No, I'm finished the second.
This is my second one and
This is my
the
third one.
chicken is nice, eh? But I'm kind of getting like throw off with it.
I'm full.
Because I'm not really used to just sitting down eating only meat, you know? As African people, when I've been now, get to either get fufu and soup with the meat. And get gari, hot eba with soup and the meat. Rice, soup and the meat. I say, come sit down, just they eat only meat. Yeah? Let us be. Not follow from inside, but.
Then, we have recipes.
What can I have some?
Another thing, my children, they eat ketchup with everything. I never see children where they use ketchup eat everything. This is my third one. Ketchup with bread, ketchup with cookies, ketchup with meat, ketchup with fish, ketchup with potato, ketchup with
You guys got them with rice. Indomie.
Ketchup with Indomie, ketchup with rice, ketchup of everything we're doing. The comment?
We don't eat ketchup with noodles.
If first way they produce ketchup fold up now, I should say my children go swan. Go swan, go cut. Why you go fold up? This is my third one, huh? I think so. And it's choking me already. How many have you eaten so far?
2.
Here's your third one. You have to eat it till you choke. Guys, share this video.
Eat it top your choke.
Now let's celebrity video now the like share.
Next time, this little mini girl is going to do it, Gary.
Now they look for who go do take away. Now bear they call and give away. Now go they follow for Facebook now. People where they do give away now they follow. When I they see person where get humble beginning now, I they show now. They look now way. When I share that.
This is going to be my 4th one.
No be only celebrity people now go they follow.
You gonna be my
our
4th
page. I
one,
want
yeah?
to grow, say.
4th one.
If now only celebrity go they follow. I want to grow. Follow people wey be say they get noble background, nobody know. Oh yeah, I go see more of my family fun time.
Yeah, video.
Don't miss out on our video because we're going to be having a lot of documentary, guys. Like this is for documentary purpose. That's what I'm doing.
Fans.
You know, it also give me fun with the kids, you know. Give me time with the kids.
We play hide and seek.
Something to talk about. So, like I said, write down below, let me know how many days you want us to give Ome before we check if this test actually work.
Please, just give me 2 days.
Let's see how many days we should give her before we come back again and test her if it work. If it work, okay.
In this channel, we can drink some water.
I dey clean my chicken well, shall see? I dey clean am well. Because there shall be no waste. We did not even bring something to drink.
Me?
We are so excited about this video that we did not bring something to drink. They are all just excited. Don't tire me, I know fit shout.
Please.
I did that with pepper.
Let me stop for 1 day, please.
Oma is trying to tap out.
Hey, I'm blessing. What's my sister doing? My sister Alice.
After eating, how many have you eaten so far?
5 of some fried chicken wings in Antwerp.
You ate 6 pieces.
Tell someone.
She's trying to
Can
tap
eat it
out.
here.
Say, Mommy, can I eat the other one tomorrow? You will eat 20. Say you want to kill me with chicken wings. Now me go come finish you with chicken wings today.
Every mommy said chicken wing. Every mommy said chicken wing. So every day chicken wing coming out here. Good for you.
No one does that. We did this one. They don't say. See, thumbs up if you understand what this woman did talk. Who understand her? Mensa, even with my video there as you believe. Even with my video, Dela. And thumbs up, okay?
Dela, okay?
Dela.
And with our video, Dela.
Let me show you guys the difference between African Peking and Europe Peking. You see my bone? I clean am. You see African Peking and Europe Peking. You see what you did? So this one don't finish am. Come drop am. I help am clean am. And na so they teach us. If we say we need to break this bone sef, something still dey inside. You never see finish. As you clean am like this, it's not yet over until it is over. So guys, I have a lot of family fun times coming up. So, like I said, it's for documentary purpose anyway. You know, when you put a camera in front of you, it becomes more fun with the kids. That's all about it. But it would be nice if you guys can also share and like.
Now I'm going to show you what it's doing.
Help us to grow.
We are finishing.
It will not affect you in any way.
This
It's free.
raw chicken. She
It's
will
gratis.
finish it.
Who?
I mean, you have enough?
No.
Okay, good. So you finish it. See me and Eamon. We finish at least. It's 8 pieces, eh? We finish 8 pieces. I actually eat about 4 or 5. I eat about 4. And Emily eats 5. But Emily doesn't finish her own. She normally eats it anyhow, so I help her to clean. Clean the bone, people. Don't forget to clean the bone. Because it's not over until it is over. Even this one, something sitting inside. Let's go break on side. You got it. If you don't got it, you will never got it.
Otherwise, my mom's going to break your house in and done.
I think me myself, I'm going to hate the chicken wings even more than her because
Can I have some apple?
it's literally throwing me off. You want to eat apple? Your teeth, you can't eat it like that. I have to cut it for you. Okay. Amen.
That's a little test.
Don't waste it. Oh.
I know, she likes wasting things.
I don't like when people waste food there
She likes wasting potatoes.
because you know where I come from.
She likes wasting
And I do have a test though.
People never benefit how much you want to waste them.
What is this?
I mean, eat. How many you eat so far? 6. Just 6. So you don't dey tire and see. I'm hands up. You're going to do the rest behind the camera. I'll let you guys know how many she actually was able to eat.
We already finished.
You know, it's a long video.
Finished.
It's a more wait for her.
I said we.
We'll sleep here.
She's not finished.
So I have to let her do it behind the camera. And I'm going to update you guys how many she was able to finish. But don't forget to write down below. Like I said, how many days should we give her before we test and see